Hi, this is Kenny Harper, and today I'm going to be talking about building your marketing machine and focusing on your lead attraction system, which is first of three components. We have your lead attraction system, your sales conversion system, and then your customer retention system. When you put these into your business, they can work for you, getting a steady stream of customers that stay, pay, and refer. So what is the lead attraction system? Well, basically it's a system that attracts the leads to come to you versus you having to chase them. And you could do this by offering a valuable piece of information or resource such as a lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically something that really knows your potential customers' pains and challenges, their problems, and offers a solution. If you know what your customers desire, what they want, then you can provide something that's valuable to them that provides a quick win. There are a lot of lead magnets out there, and they do work. However, if you really want to make sure that your lead magnet gets noticed, you might want to create an amplified offer. Put a little bit more into it. A free PDF download's great, but if you can put more into it that can offer more value and provide more results for your prospects, that's going to be more likely to get downloaded and looked at. Also, you want to have a multi-step campaign. If you put a message out there and it's a great amplified offer, people are looking at it, they like it, but they're just not ready to download it right then and there, they may not do it right then. So you make sure that you put your message in front of people multiple times in various formats so you can make sure that they know the offer that you have. Now, your lead attraction system will drive two key profit drivers in your business. Obviously, your leads, and then also your profits. When you have a system that's working for you, that's saving you time and producing better results, you're going to be earning more profits. Now, lead attraction systems are great, and here are a few examples of some lead magnets, some amplified offers that really work great for different industries. We have the Small Business Accounting Kit, which can include checklists, downloads, resources, how-tos, how to understand your tax forms or your payroll forms. We have the Legal Toolkit. Forms could be included in here, such as the common forms that a business owner might need to have, common questions a business owner may need to have, checklists as well. It doesn't always have to be information. You could do something visual, like a kitchen and bath renovation guide, providing ideas for people to use your product. Or training videos that share ideas. People learn in different ways. You can also give kits away. My business partner was on a website looking at podcast information and saw an offer for a podcast kit. Included a mixer, microphone, stands, and more. He put his information in. Now they can market to him. Great. Cool thing is we won the kit. So think creatively when you're creating your lead magnets and amplified offers, and make sure that you're putting these messages in front of your audience where they're at on a consistent basis. And then people will come to you. They'll appreciate the value you provide. Speaking of which, we have an offer for you. Obviously, we practice what we preach. So we'd like to offer that you get your marketing profitability booster kit. If you do any marketing whatsoever, any advertising whatsoever, we invite you to go to amplifymyprofits.com and get your marketing profitability booster kit. It includes an ROI maximization blueprint, marketing success checklist, 4-part video jumpstart training, and a free copy of Jumpstart Your Profits, a wonderful book with 13 strategies you can use to immediately start increasing your profits. So take action and go to amplifymyprofits.com and download your marketing profitability booster kit today.